नमस्कार। पुनः एक बार एक महान उद्देश्य के साथ आपके समक्ष कुछ बातें, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जिनका होना इस दुनिया के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। Recently we returned from Kashmir after doing Avahanam and Ram Parikrama, Avahanam of Ram Rudra, because of various big changes that are happening around in the scenario of war hysteria, COVID-19 and its variants, and so many things that need to be addressed through spiritual vibrations. And yes, I am about to talk about Indrakshi. Indrakshi is a way, Indrakshi is a formula, Indrakshi is a blessings on this globe through Sri Lanka. Indrakshi is a blessings to the entire world through the little island that is Sri Lanka, and Sri Lankans are very fortunate to have this temple on their soil, and the temple of Nagposhani Amma is well known, and Hindus and many people have undeterred faith on the Devi, which is part of Bavan Shakti Peeth, 52 Shakti Peethas. This is one of the prominent places of worship. Not only that, this is one of the most vibrant Shakti Peetham on this earth, and this will help Sri Lanka and rest of the world cope up with death and disease that is spreading fast all over the world. So we need to create a network of Indrakshi and Shiva combination, that is Shiva Indrakshi. Whosoever can, people can contact with us and take advice or what to do and what not to do, can install Indrakshi Yantra in Shiva temples where it is not installed already. One can take the example of Rameshwaram. At Rameshwaram, alongside Rameshwaram Shivalingam, the Indrakshi Yantram is also installed. It's very ancient installation done by Adi Shankara. So, taking that example, whosoever can do this, we are doing it in Kashmir, and we have selected few temples there, and we are going to do that. And we seek support from all well-wishers, all dharmic people, whosoever is follower of Dharma philosophy, Sanatana Vedic traditions of this ancient culture, ancient India, ancient Bharatavarsha. So we seek support from all of you, and whosoever is willing to support can support us at these mentioned UPI addresses, and one can approach us through via email and phone numbers, through WhatsApp, through email, and our phone numbers as well. Dealing with Indrakshi is to make a feature film on Indrakshi. Another is wherever we will go and install Indrakshi Yantram, it will be documented, filmed, and all the information about this will be provided on social media, and your support is needed for everything. One more thing, while working on this Indrakshi, we were confident and we realized that the two countries, India and Sri Lanka, will come closer, and helping Sri Lanka financially was one of such realization, because more we will spread Indrakshi, more Sri Lanka will be benefited. First Sri Lanka will be benefited, then rest of the world will bore the fruits of this spread of the Mahashakti of Indrakshi. And we all wish and we pray for this sacred land of Indrakshi, that is Sri Lanka, and the rest of the world. May all have these fruits of welfare, happiness, and prosperity to all. Thank you so much. May Goddess Indrakshi bless you all.